Microsoft has brought many new features and enhancements in Windows 11, especially in terms of its user interface. However, one feature that is still missing from it is the ability to set live wallpapers on desktop. Live wallpapers are animated backgrounds that can make your desktop livelier and more dynamic. If you want to spice up your Windows 11 desktop with some cool live wallpapers, let me introduce to you Lively Wallpaper. This is a free and open source app that fills the void by letting you set videos, web pages, animations and GIFs as your dynamic desktop. Once you've installed it, launch the app and you'll see a gallery of wallpapers that come preloaded with the app. To apply any of them, just left click on the thumbnail and wait for a few seconds. It may take some time depending upon the size and complexity of the wallpaper. There you go. You can also customize the live wallpapers by clicking on the 3-dot menu over here. Here, you can adjust the quality, color, resolution and other settings of a wallpaper. Some of them have sound effects or background music, which you can mute if you don't want to hear it. However, there'll be one or two wallpapers that will not offer the customization option. If you aren't satisfied with the default wallpapers, you have the option to download from the internet. One of the best sources for this is DeviantArt, where you can find some amazing and creative wallpapers for this app. For your convenience, I've added the website's link in the description below. Once you've downloaded a wallpaper from there, you can either use the browse option in the app to add the file to your gallery or simply drag and drop the zip file from here. It will automatically extract and import the wallpaper for you. Now let's see how some of these wallpapers look on the desktop. Wow, look at this. It's so beautiful and interactive. Yes, some of the live wallpapers have interactive features, which means you can interact using your mouse or keyboard. For example, this wallpaper has a ripple effect when you move your mouse. Isn't that cool? Here's another example of a periodic table of elements. When you hover or click on any element, it shows you an animation of its atomic structure. This is not only fun but educational. Pretty useful wallpaper for people involved in chemistry. Won't you agree? But that's not all. Lively Wallpaper lets you create your own custom wallpapers using any GIF or video file that you have on your computer. Just follow the same steps as before to add the file to your gallery and then select it to apply it as a live wallpaper. You can also use the depth wallpaper feature, which uses the AI to give your 2D images a 3D perspective. This gives you a sense of depth and motion in your images. However, I have to admit that this feature is not very impressive. I tried it with different photos, but none of them pleased me the way the wallpapers that are made for this. Maybe it'll improve in the future. Finally, for those who have multiple monitors, you have the option to set different live wallpapers for each of your displays, and you can also use them as screensavers. There you go. I hope you try this new app. Was this video helpful to you? Do let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the new video.